Hello everyone, welcome once again to Cloud Drive series. In this video, I'm with another interesting application of Nextcloud, that is Contact. Contact is a very important tool. It is also integrated with Talk, Circles and many more. Now I will be going through contacts. It is same as like our contacts. Here we can create all our contact. To create a new contact, just click on the new contact. Here we can write the name, company name and the title. Let me give a name and title. The app automatically creates some fields for you to fill up like phone number, email and address. Let me give some phone number, email and the address. You can also organize your contact by adding them to a certain groups. We can create a number of groups here. We can add this particular member to a certain group. To add a new entry, click on choose property type. You have many different options here to suit all your needs like birthday, date of death, email or spoken languages, website, any other things. Let me select spoken languages. Here we can select the languages spoken by them. We can also modify, we can also delete which are the options we don't need. At the top right menu, we can see three dots. Here we can download the contact, we can generate QR code and we can delete this contact. We can also download a whole group of contacts. In the setting, we can also share our contact with the user by just copying the link and we can paste it to the user who we needed. We can also sort the contact by a first name, last name or any other things. We can also import contact from the files. This is all about the contact application. That's all for now. Please check our other video for file, deck, calendar, time tracker, time manager, talk and other application. And for more details, reach us out. Please stay tuned for our next video. This is Muhammad Shazil from Intelsin. Thank you.